It was that time, as documented in the Bhagavada Purana, that Mathura was attacked incessantly by Jarasandha 17 times to avenge the death of Kamsa. On the 18th occasion, however, just before Jarasandha could reach Mathura, Mathura faced a new enemy, Kalayavana.
I am Kalayavana, the Yavana king. Since Narada informed me that the Yadus are the most powerful kings in the world. If I should become the mightiest, I should attack the city and defeat them with my 30 million Yavana soldiers. I should defeat Balrama, I should defeat Krishna and become the most powerful person on earth.
Brother Balram, now we have two enemies. One Jarasandha who will attack us the day after tomorrow, and Kalyavana who's marching towards our gates right now.
If we are both busy fighting Kalayavana and Jarasandha also attacks, he may overpower our people.
I think now is the time to build the fort of Dwaraka where no enemy enters. We will move our people to Dwaraka. Then I will come to Mathura and deal with Kalyavana.
I will remain here and protect our subjects. Good luck to you, Krishna.
Brother, I am glad the way Dwaraka has come up. Roads, streets, parks, gardens, all built and planned by Vishwakarma. He looks so beautiful and perfect.
Yes, Krishna. See, Indra has gifted the Parijata tree, Varuna has gifted the swift horses, all the Devas have gifted something or the other.
The city is ready. We have moved most of our people here. I will go back to Mathura and deal with Kalyavana.
Good luck to you, Krishna.
I'm waiting outside Mathura with my army. Where is Krishna? Where is Balrama? This must be Krishna. He fits Narada's description. But why is he unarmed? I'll throw away my weapons too. Hey, why are you running? You're supposed to be brave. Fight me. Stop. Oh, it's so dark in the cave. I can't see anything. Look at him. Made me run and now sleeping, closing his face. You thought you can hide from me? Wake up and fight me, you coward.
Who are you, man? And why did you disturb my sleep? Didn't you know I've been sleeping here for ages undisturbed? Didn't you know whoever disturbs my sleep will face his end?
Who is the sleeping man? Well, to find this out, we'll have to go back in time to know his story. So many aeons ago, in Indralok one day,
O commander of the divine forces, Lord Karthikeya, how do we defeat these asurs? They are menacing and grazing.
I understand, Indra. We need more brave warriors in our army to fight the evil asuras.
Apart from us, the Devas, is there anyone who will be joining us in this fight?
In the Ikshvaku dynasty, there is King Muchukunda, the son of great Mandatha. He is righteous and brave, and he'll fight on our side. Let's approach him.
and so they approached King Muchukunda. Muchukunda fought many battles with the Devas against the Asuras.
Okay, you have sacrificed everything for us. You had a nice peaceful kingdom on earth. You left all that and came to Dwaraka to fight our battle. Due to your long absence, all your people on earth have passed away. Even if you return home, you won't see anyone there. Is there any way I can help you? Ask me for any boon.
Thank you, Lord Karthikeya. This long battle has made me weary. I just want to take a rest now. Please grant me the boon to have an undisturbed sleep.
So be it, O king. If any fool comes and disturbs your sleep, the instant you look at him, he'll reduce to ashes.
Now we know who the sleeping man was and what boon he acquired in order for Kalayavana to meet his end. Now, coming back to the story, inside the cave,
Who are you, sir? You're so illuminated in this dark place. Let me introduce myself first. I am Muchukunda, the son of King Mandatha of Ikshvaku dynasty. I was sleeping here. He came and disturbed me. I saw him. He was burned down to ashes because of my boon. Now I can see you clearly. Please tell me who you are, sir. You may count the particles on earth, but not my names. I am Vishnu. This time I am Krishna, born as the son of Vasudev. The one you killed is Kalayavana, my enemy. You've always been my devotee, Muchukunda. I came here to wake you up and bless you. You see, you eliminated my enemy without any bloodshed. Thank you, Krishna. You are the most merciful. Please guide me. Travel north to the Himalayas, do penance, and come to me. I will go back to Mathura and fight my next enemy. Enemies can be eliminated through devotees.
One should know when to fight.
And when not to fight.
So you see, not all battles are won by fighting.
Running away is not always coming. We need the right strategy in the right situation.
And victory will be ours!